Hey everybody, this is Tom from Small Scale Gardening. Welcome to my garage. Where else would I be on a Friday night, right? So super excited. We have hit a couple milestones. We are at 500 people on Instagram. We are at over 600 people on YouTube. So that is great. You know, we just started getting this channel going after it's been gone for a long time. So I'm super excited about that. This is the new project, what I'm going to be working on, and I'm really excited. So in celebration of people coming to Small Scale Gardening on YouTube and Small Scale Gardening on Instagram, we are going to have a giveaway. So yes, I will give away some Seed Savers Exchange seeds. What you need to do is hit the comments below, say grow baby grow, and respond to this video, and we'll put everybody together and we'll start making some picks. So super excited, ready for 2024 garden season, ready to grow inside, ready to do a bunch of things, but I am so thankful that you're here. So learn to grow, be a little better every day. Grow baby grow. Below this, you'll be in for a giveaway. All right, everybody, have a great day. Bye.